Hey fam, hope you're all doing good. So today I'm here with you guys to share my most favorite thing to do, and that is doing hauls. So today I'm going to share with you my Nykaa summer saver haul. And as you all know, if you follow me on Insta, that I have shopped quite a lot. Almost have 6 of these packages, 3 from the Lux collection and 3 of them from the normal Nykaa collection. If you follow me on Instagram, you guys know that I went a little overboard shopping because May is also my birthday month, and the summer saver sale was so irresistible that I couldn't myself from shopping. So I bought quite a lot of stuff, and without further ado, I am going to get into it. So I'm going to basically discuss my entire haul brand wise. So please stay tuned because it will be easier for me to tell you what all deals I got. So the first box that I'm going to open is this one, and I'm going to start with a brand called Flower Beauty, which is also one of my favorite brands. Now I have had a few product recommendations from this brand from fellow bloggers like Sukhmani from All About Your Glow. I already have this product in one shade and I got this in another 2 shades. So the first product that I'm going to talk about is from Flower Beauty. This is their blush bomb, and I got them in the shade Bubbly and Melon. Now these retail for 800 rupees, but I managed to get them for 560 each. And I also got this retractable brush from Flower Beauty, which also looks like a really good quality brush. So I think overall it was a good deal for me. The next brand that I'm going to talk about is something that I saw Malvika Sitlani use, and she is my idol, and I've watched so many of her videos that I've absolutely lost count. So I got the Swiss Beauty liquid concealer. Is in 2 shades. So one is 05, which is medium moin, and the other shade is 03, which is light moin. So I am super duper excited to use these and give you my reviews. I've already used this shade, which is light moin 03, on my under eyes, and I think it's absolutely beautiful. I picked 2 products from another brand that I haven't tried. So basically my entire haul is full of brands that I have never tried. So Flower Beauty I had tried, Swiss Beauty I had never tried any of their face products. I did own a highlighter palette from that, and that was supremely gorgeous, and the quality and the payoff was absolutely amazing. So I'm really looking forward to try their concealers as well. And these concealers otherwise retail for 229 each, but I got them for 172. The next brand that I wanted to try was only and only because of my fellow creators. So we have a fellow creators group, and I remember Tamanna and another fellow creator Lippy both were discussing about the eyebrow pencil, so they made me order this. I ordered their Instant Lift brow pencil in the shade medium brown. Along with this, I really wanted to get my hands on a clear lash mascara, so I got this Elf Clear Lash and Brow Mascara. That these both retail for 250 each, and I got them for 225 each. Next box that I have is a couple of Indian brands. So the first one that I'm going to discuss is this one. This is Nykaa. So this Nykaa lipstick, creme lipstick, had been lying in my wish list for the longest time, and this is in the shade Wake Up Makeup. They had an offer where if you buy a Nykaa product, you get a kajal worth rupees 170 for free. So this kajal for 170 was absolutely free for 299, and I got it for 254. So that's what the swatch of it looks like. I think it's a very beautiful shade, and it's something which is very comfortable for me to wear on daily basis. The next brand that I'm going to talk about is another favorite, and it's the holy grail, the old school Lakme. So Lakme has been one of my mom's favorite brands ever since I've seen her grow do makeup. So I managed to get my hands on this, which is the Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Makeup Primer, because I did not have any drugstore makeup primers, and I'm also planning to do an affordable makeup kit for you guys. So I managed to get my hands on these. I'm trying this, and my reviews on this will be out soon. So along with this, another product that I got is this one, which is the Lakme Absolute Spotlight Gloss. And I had seen these gloss in fellow creators videos, and I absolutely love this gloss, especially this shade Creme Caramel. This one retails for $675 and I got it for $405. And the primer retails for $750 and I got it for $450. Next brand that I'm going to discuss is another drugstore favorite brand, and that is Maybelline. So my Maybelline foundation got over and I wanted to get my hands on the Fit Me foundation. So I instead picked up this one, which is the Matte and Poreless Tube Foundation. I'm in the shade 128 and this one retails for I think $299, and there was no discount on this particular product. This mascara, which is the Hyper Curl Mascara, and mascara retails for $310, but I got it for $217, that is $217. Along with this, I also got my hands on the Instant Age Rewind Concealer, which is a holy grail again for a lot of us, and I got myself the shade 122 Sand, and I've already used medium and neutralizer, and I think they're beautiful formulas. I feel they are not really for people with very dry skin, but I sort of have a love-hate relationship with this one, but I'm excited to try this shade. It probably would work better for my skin tone. So this one retails for again $620 and I got it for 434 rupees. Maybelline Sensational Liquid Matte Lipsticks. These ones retail for $350. I managed to get these for $245. So quite a steal, and the formula is so drying and I'm absolutely in love with it. So I'll just swatch the shades for you. This is the shade Best Babe. I think it's a beautiful pink shade and very nice for everyday wear. The shade that I'm going to swatch is Flush It Red, and the beautiful red shade, and it's perfect for someone who loves red. And I feel red is a color that even if you wear it without doing any makeup, it really brightens up your face. And the third and the final and my most favorite color is Made Easy, and this is like a very beautiful terracotta brown shade, and I'm a sucker for nudes, as you all know, so this is what it looks like. So these were the liquid matte lipsticks from Maybelline, and I think they're a beautiful formula and very budget friendly. Face Shop, so I managed to get the Face Shop Collagen and Pomegranate Volume Lifting Eye Cream. Now I was really looking forward to trying an eye cream because I'm touching my 30s and I really need something, because I have like dark under eyes, so I really need something that works on my under eyes and plumps up and gives more volume. So I think this was a product which was very raved about by fellow bloggers, and this retails for again $2,040 for 50 ml. It might sound expensive, but there's a lot of product in there for you to use, and I managed to get this for I think 1,500 something, so it was on discount for 1,783, and for Prime members there was another 10% off, so I managed to get this for about 1,500 bucks. And along with this Face Shop eye cream, there was an option of choosing from a couple of kits of Face Shop, and I managed to get this one free, which is the Dr. Belmure Daily Repair Kit. It's a very beautiful kit, and it has 3 almost deluxe size products, which are the usual CTM products, that is cleanse, tone and moisturize. So it has a cleanser, it has a toner, and it has a moisturizer. I think these are like decent size of products, so these are the daily repair products. It's really good for someone if you're a starter, and I got these absolutely free along with my purchase, so I think it was a good deal for me. Now that's it for my drugstore haul. Let's move to the Lux haul, because you all had selected for me to do both drugstore and Lux products, so your wish is my command. The first box that I have is has products from a brand called Too Faced. Now I love Too Faced products. Their Born This Way foundation is my absolute favorite. I love the formulation of it, and I think it somewhere is very competent with the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation. I think it gives like a very similar, I think it gives like a very similar finish. So I picked up a mascara from them, which is the Better Than Sex mascara, and this one is a mini size mascara, and this retails for 1,050. I also got along with this a full size product, and this basically keeps your eyeshadows from creasing and it keeps them in place. So I think it's a good investment. It claims to stay on for 24 hours. Along with this, I also got this hangover primer from Too Faced. This is a small sachet. Next brand that I got my hands on is another brand that I have not tried in I think I've never got my hands on any product from The Balm. And product that I got from The Balm, which is one of their best selling products. This product is one of their best selling products. It's a highlighter, and I got it in the travel size. This one retails for 1150, that is 1150, and this is what the product looks like. If you're someone my skin tone or skin type, I think it would really suit you. It's a very powdery and finely milled powder, and it has a very gorgeous sheen to it. One retails for 1150, but I picked up for 863. And The Balm had a very nice offer where if you purchase any product from The Balm, you could get a free eyeshadow palette, that is the nude palette, and you get this for free. So this palette in itself retails for about 3,000 rupees. It was a very tempting offer, very gorgeous nude palette, but I ended up making a fool of myself because this palette expires in next 2 months. Yes, it expires on the 8th of July 2021, and I think the brand should have mentioned that, in case someone wants to still pick up, they could pick up. But this, I felt, is sort of cheating because you can't check the expiry date of products that are free with your purchase. So I think I'm okay with it because I do use powder products for a while even after expiry. So I think it was still a good deal for me. So I managed to get a palette and a highlighter for 863 rupees. The next brand that I invested in is a favorite brand. Again, I have a lot of products from them and I love it. That is MAC. It's a super favorite of a lot of us. So they had an offer where if you purchase goods worth 2,500, you could get a full size eye and lip pencil. So I first went on and checked what all pencils are, eye and lip products are there in the free range, and when I liked one product from that range, I ended up ordering this product, which was again in my wish list for the longest time. So this is the MAC Soft and Gentle. It's a powder based highlighter, and it's an extremely gorgeous highlighter. I just swatched this for you guys. So that's what it looks like. So now this rose gold sort of a highlighter, and it looks really pretty. I really can't wait to get my hands on this. And along with this, I also got a free lipstick, which is the Retro Matte Liquid Lipstick Spice. I also have another shade from the same range, which is a nice fuchsia pink shade. It's called Too Matte with Love, and these lipsticks are perfect, especially if you are heading for a party or for a wedding where you're going to eat and drink a lot. So they stay on like forever. That I picked up, it's a very beautiful nude shade, and that's what it looks like. I think it's something which will suit in types and all skin tones. It can really amp up your entire look. Also got along with this a tiny MAC Fix Plus, which is a setting spray that's a 2.5 ml for free. So the last and the final brand that I'm super excited to talk about is this little box, and this has products from one of these brands that I had been eyeing for really long. So I'll tell you a story. I was traveling to Dubai in December 2020 to meet my parents, and I came across the Charlotte Tilbury store in Dubai Mall. It was their flagship store, and it was so gorgeous, I can't even tell you guys. So I walked into the store with an intention of definitely picking on a product or two, but I realized that the prices of Charlotte Tilbury on Nykaa and the prices in the Dubai Mall store were almost like 18 to 20% higher. So I walked in and then walked out of the store because I realized that I could buy the same products at like 20% cheaper. So I had a few products in my wish list, and I definitely decided that I'm going to get them once there's a nice deal on them. So I got my hands on this product which is the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter. It's basically a primer cum highlighter, so this is something that you can use under your makeup, and this is tinted, so even if you want to wear it just like that, you could do it. I picked up the shade Light, and this one retails for 4,000, but since I'm a Prime member, there was a 10% off and I got it for 3,600. So this is what the packaging looks like. It is a very superior looking packaging. Swatch this shade for you. So this is what the product looks like. It's a very beautiful formula. It's a liquid highlighter sort of a formula, and along with this I also got the Crystal Magic Serum in the mini size. This is almost 3.5 ml of product. It is one of their best selling products. Again, it's a crystal elixir which is known for maintaining youthful skin, so I'm excited to try this. And along with this I also got two mini Matte Revolution lipsticks, and these are like 1.1 gram each, and the full size product is like 3.5 grams. Basically the two lipsticks that I got, and one of them is in the shade Walk of Shame, and the other one is their best selling, which is Pillow Talk. So I'll just swatch these for you. So this is the shade Walk of Shame. It's a very beautiful terracotta red color, and it's something which is really nice and perfect for everyday wear. Now the next product, which is also one of their star products, is which is Pillow Talk, and I think this one lipstick is such a bummer. I'm so thankful that I did not invest in the full size product, and this lipstick looks so washed off, and I think it's absolutely not for you if you are an Indian skin tone. And I thank God that I did not invest in 3,400 bucks of this lipstick, and I'm happy with getting a mini of it. I could probably use it on darker lipsticks to make them look lighter. But these are all the products that I picked up for 3,600, and I think I made quite a lot of savings. So I was calculating, and I got products worth almost 25,000 for just 13,000, which is a great deal when it comes to makeup. And also I would like to add a disclaimer that please do not get inspired by my hauls and end up splurging money, because this is investment for me. As I create content, this is something that I need, and I saved in a lot of money on this, and it's something which will help me in my tutorials further in the future. And I do indulge in these maybe once in 2 years. So I'd suggest you that the times are tough, and this pandemic is really tough on a lot of us. So I'd tell you guys to please spend only on essentials and do not splurge money. Also, I'd like to end this video by requesting you all to please like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube videos, and do share them with your friends and family if you like them. Please ask them to follow me, and would really mean a lot. Thanks a lot. Bye.